If your printer isn't showing up on your computer, don't panic, you're not alone. USB problems are super common. Here's how to get things working again. First, check your USB cable. Unplug it from both your printer and your computer, then plug it back in firmly. Cables can get loose or worn out, so if you have a spare, try swapping it. Next, try a different USB port on your computer. Sometimes the port itself is the problem, not your printer. Now, restart both your printer and your computer. This can reset any connection issues. Once you're back on, go to your computer's control panel and find Devices and Printers. If your printer doesn't show up, you may need to reinstall the printer driver. Visit HP's official website, search for your printer model, and download the latest USB driver. Finally, avoid using USB hubs. Always plug directly into your computer for the best connection. If none of these steps work, your cable or printer might need service. But most USB issues can be fixed in just a few minutes. So, check your cables, try a new port, restart everything, and update your drivers. Easy and done.